trying to get footage of the cars leaving without getting run over. Beautiful. Beautiful ride, man. Nice van, look at that. That's fresh. Scooby-Doo! This thing's absolutely monstrous. I don't know why, it kind of reminds me of Universal Soldier a little bit. How imposing that truck is, but that Dolph Lundgren in there. He did a face kick someone and pull their ear off or something. Man, it's a freaking nasty ass truck. Look at that thing. That's so beautiful, my God. What in the heck? That is beautiful. My God, that is so gorgeous. Oh my God. Wow, lovely, lovely Continental, man. That is beautiful. Ooh, the Dodge truck. Lovely. Beautiful truck, man. Go Dodge, go Dodge. Good ride, man. Beautiful. Good stuff, man. Good stuff. It's a filthy Camaro. We'll be back out here, but I got this car coming. Good stuff, man. Beautiful. Oh, God. Maverick, man. Next, man. You're next. Oh, beautiful truck, man. Ford F100. I like it. Wow, look at that. That caddy, my God. Big E. I think I got him already. Yep, I did. Love those lights. Yeah, laser. Too many cars to get here. Oh my God. Oh, that is nasty. Dart Swinger. Dodge Dart. Back right here. Oh, look at that. That looks like the car from Cobra, the Sylvester Stallone movie where he had that ride. He was chasing those criminals. They were wanted to The Way of the New World, if anyone remembers that movie. Oh, look at that vent. Oh, that's stunning. Lights, man, that's sick. Man, I love the lights on that ride. That's so sick. Ooh, sweet looking bug there. Is that the thing? Is that a Type 81 there? God, beautiful Corvette. Nice. Oh, that is beautiful. Alright, so that's close to a wrap for day number 1. I'm probably going to stick around a little bit and get some footage of the cars leaving, but did pretty well today. I mean, just got a lot of cars. Ooh, look at this. See if I can get that in the background. Oh, that's sweet. Look at that. But you know, I got a lot of cars. I got a lot of good footage and everything. Talked to a lot of cool people. This was an amazing event. Totally amazing event. I'm glad that I booked 2 days for this. But anyway, we're gonna get some more footage, but I'm gonna probably likely break this whole entire event up into like a number of segments because I got so much footage. But that Continental again, beautiful Continental. We got the Dodge again. We got them before. Good stuff, man. Good stuff. Ooh, look at that. This is Bel Air. Oh. I always love patina, man. Look at that. Wow. Beautiful car. Look at that Impala. That is a beautiful looking Impala. And look right next to it too. You got like what is that, 60s and 70s or maybe 50s and 70s here. Oh my god, look at that. God. So it looks like a lot of the cars have left already, but there's still some that are kind of remaining. So we're gonna go walk over and we're gonna see if we can get some of the other cars that are still here at the lot. So I'm gonna flip this camera around. Hang on a second. Ooh, so look at that. You got some really nice looking trucks up here. Let's take a look at these. So what is this? You got some Chevys, some really older looking Chevys. Look at this one here. That's beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. 1979 Chevy Love. I've never even heard of this before, so this is definitely something that's very unique and different. But look at this. This is quite a beautiful car with a beautiful color, and yeah, it looks different. Got another C10. You got a couple, looks like a couple C10s over here. So these C10s are just really popular, but they're, you know, beautiful. You can't get tired of them. Oh God, look at that in silver, man. Beautiful. Let's see if we can kind of pan in. See how we can do this here. See if I can pan all these cars in one shot. Got a 1930 Ford Model A. Look at this. This is very lovely. Got GTO here. Ford F100. Look at this. '48 Chevrolet Fleetline. Look at that kind of visor kind of going over the windshield. Isn't that cool looking? Look at this. This is quite a nice ride here. We got the Chevy 31 pickup. Boy, that is something. Look at that. So I'll see if I can do a quick pan over here of all of these cars. Got a beautiful lower patina pickup. Got that car before already. We got a Datsun over there. Another car leaving. '88 Chevy G10. Check this out. Look at the design on this, the Midnight Special. And that is something else. Absolutely beautiful. So I am taking an Amphi car right now, and these are the propellers on the Amphi car. And yeah, that is something else. Look at the color on this too. Got fins, I brake for fish. Yeah, this is a beautiful color on this too.
And then this is the bilge pump.
Okay. Wow, all right.
And then he's put a second bilge pump in just to be on the safe side.
Oh wow, that's something else. Man, I'm gonna just kind of pan around here.
Oh, that's fine.
This is beautiful. So this is actually from Ohio. So they actually were on what was the name of the lake again?
They up in Salina. If you get close to what is that?
Yeah, get that. Look at that. Oh, rubber ducky there.
Wapakoneta, where Neil Armstrong was from.
Oh.
They have a big festival up there, and they get about 40 amphicars up there at the festival.
That is cool. I would love to go to that. So I'm gonna pan out here and look at this Amphi-Cars. This is from Ohio, and this car was actually like boating in the lake.
See.
So this is a 1964 Amphi-Car here that, you know, the owner was kind enough to kind of walk me through it. Yeah, so she was showing me videos of how it goes on the water and everything. That was so cool. So I'm just kind of pan around here. We'll get that beautiful interior again. Kind of go through here, swing around. But yeah, what a beautiful car this is. And a beautiful boat apparently. nostalgic because this looks like the car that my parents had when I was growing up. Look at that. Ooh. Yeah, I think I got that car before. That's a beautiful car. Alright. We're going to start to head back now, basically, back to the hotel. But on my way back, I'm going to try to get some more cars, and then we'll head back out tomorrow. We kind of roll cars over here. You got some cars over here. Let's just kind of get these cars over here real quick. Ooh, look at that. That's tough. More cars leaving. Fresh. Ooh, a Ford Falcon. Another Ford Falcon. And another Ford. A Ford Fairlane. Look at that. A Buick Regatta. Okay, this is different. No, a Riata. My bad. A Buick Riata. Alright. 1988 Buick Riata. Check this out. Back in my day. Oh, that's so refreshing to see. Look at this. Look at this. So I'm just going to get whatever I can here. Oh, look at that. My God. It's a beautiful vet. Absolutely stunning. Nice Mustang there. That's fresh. Go over here, get this one. Look at that. Oh, you got a Biscayne. Look at that. Oh, that's fresh. My God, that is so beautiful. This is the 1958 Chevrolet Biscayne. Isn't this stunning? We got a Chevrolet Thriftmaster here. All right. Oh, nice Buick. Look at this. '67 Buick Skylark. Very lovely. Alright. When I come out tomorrow, I'm going to get more details of these, but I'm just going to kind of get a quick run through here of what they have. Just so many cars. Look at that Blazer. Oh, that is fresh on the Blazer. Oh my God, that's beautiful. '31 Ford Model A. Wow. I'm going to keep this all overview now. Yeah, there's just so many cars. My God. Yeah, I'm not going to go through all this now. I'm going to get the rest of these tomorrow. That's a nice patina truck there. Look at that. Let's see if I can just kind of pan. Just get a rough idea. We'll kind of walk. We'll walk down here. Just kind of get some of these. A lot of the, many of the cars are covered up now, so we can go see them tomorrow. Firebird there. Z28. Ooh, look at that truck. Man, that is nice. And back out here. We got a nice Mustang there. Oh my goodness gracious. I keep saying I'm not going to do this and I keep doing it. Trying to get the specifics of the cars. Wow. Yeah, just so many cars. So many cars. We'll walk here and get some of this real quick. I'm just gonna get one side, that's okay. That was a Thunderbird. Another Chevy 3100. And you got a really nice looking bug over there. Check that out. Gorgeous bug over there. I'll pan back out. Ooh, look at this. Nice Volkswagen. Ooh, that's a clean looking bug. Look at that. Lovely. Just gonna walk down this line over here. Oh my God, look at that Ford. Look at that drop pickup. Isn't that sweet? So we're about to reach the exit now. But I'm just gonna pick up the rest of these cars here. Before I leave, I want to get this Di Tommaso Pantera because it's a Pantera and Panteras are absolutely beautiful. Look at this. And look at the wheels on this too. My God. This is a 72 Di Tommaso Pantera. My God. Yeah, per cat exactly. That is absolutely stunning. So we'll pan back out here. So here you get a much better look at this gorgeous Di Tommaso Pantera. Pan around here again. And good way to finish off. Oh my God, man. That's hot. Look at those wheels, man, that's fresh. Man, yeah, I got that car earlier. This is all from my YouTube channel.
Is it?
Yeah, this is all from my YouTube channel. Oh, it's called Bistrogin. Yeah, I'll show it to you.
My phone died, dude. My phone died. And
oh, that is gorgeous. Look at that. That is mean looking, man. Woo! I'll get through real quick. It's crazy. I just can't stop getting footage. Either I get footage or I talk to somebody and I get carried away. I'm trying to get back to the hotel. But yeah, just such an awesome event. I can't wait to come out tomorrow and get some more footage. So anyway, I hope you all enjoyed it. Hey, like and subscribe, and yeah, we'll see you tomorrow.